Welcome to the world of business. Ever wonder how things get done? Like, how did that cool new game get on your phone? Or how your favorite sneakers ended up in the store? That, my friend, is the magic of business. It's everywhere, and it's all about making things happen. Think of business like a giant puzzle. Every piece, from the inventor to the shopkeeper, plays a role in bringing amazing products and services to life. It's like a team sport, where everyone works together to score big wins. But business isn't just about making money. It's about making a difference. It's about solving problems, building relationships, and creating something new and exciting. And the best part? Anyone can be a part of it. So, are you ready to take a fun and exciting journey into the world of business? Buckle up, because it's going to be an awesome ride. Business solved. At its core, business is about solving problems. Just like you wouldn't want a leaky faucet in your house, people have problems they want solutions for every day. Imagine a hot summer day. You're thirsty, right? That's a problem. Now picture a lemonade stand popping up. They're offering a refreshing solution to your problem. That's business in action. Businesses identify a need, big or small, and then find creative ways to fulfill it. Whether it's a new app that makes learning fun or a comfortable pair of shoes for running, every business starts by addressing a problem and offering a solution. So, next time you see a business, think about the problem it's solving. You'll be amazed by how many challenges businesses tackle every day to make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Ever notice how much fun it is to play games with friends? Business is a bit like that too. It's all about building strong relationships with people. Think about your favorite board game. You need other players to make it fun, right? In business, you need to connect with customers, teammates, and even competitors to succeed. Just like building a strong friendship takes time and effort, building solid business relationships requires trust, communication, and understanding. When people connect and work together, amazing things can happen. Section 4. Taking risks, reaping rewards. Starting a business can be like trying something new for the first time. A little scary, but also exciting. It takes courage to step outside your comfort zone and take risks. Think about learning to ride a bike. You might fall a few times, but with practice and determination, you eventually find your balance and experience the thrill of riding freely. Business is similar. Taking risks is about trying new things, learning from mistakes, and not being afraid to fail. Every successful business has faced challenges and setbacks, but it's through those experiences that they've grown and become even stronger. Section 5. Innovation, the engine of awesome. Remember when phones were just for making calls? Then came along smartphones, apps, and a whole new world of possibilities. That's the power of innovation. Innovation is about constantly finding new and better ways to do things. It's about dreaming big, being creative, and never settling for good enough. From the invention of the wheel to the latest gadgets, innovation has always been the driving force behind progress and advancement. It's what makes businesses exciting and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Section 6. Making a difference, one business at a time. Businesses don't just sell products and services, they have the power to make a positive impact on the world around them. Think about a local bakery that donates leftover bread to a homeless shelter, or a company that plants a tree for every purchase made. These businesses are making a difference by giving back to their communities and supporting important causes. When businesses operate with purpose and integrity, they can create jobs, support local economies, and inspire positive change. They show us that success isn't just about profits, but also about making a meaningful contribution to society. So, the next time you interact with a business, think about the impact it's making. You might be surprised by the positive ripple effects it creates in the world.